So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another global hack week challenge submission, that is challenge number 2. Create and run a browser request with Gaffa, and how we have to do all things we'll cover in this video. And if you haven't completed the first challenge and also the registration part, I will share the link in the description. Do that first so that you are able to get the benefit of it, because if you don't sign up you won't be getting the credits and you won't be able to complete the challenge. Now just open it, and from here you have to just click on this link. Okay, now from here just scroll down, and here you have to enter your email. You can add your personal email also, or you can use your normal email also. So let me just test it, and just click on submit button. So you can see you have completed this challenge. You have to simply take the screenshot of this particular page. You can take the full screenshot, and then you have to just save it. Okay, and here you have to upload the image. So just click on submit project and just upload the image from here and just submit it. So you have successfully completed this solve challenge also. Okay, it's very simple. And if you want to complete other challenges and want to know more about these events, you can just check the playlist. I've covered everything in detail and easy way. So thank you. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.